Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 18th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Virgo, this is your channel song. Most incredible. It's your girl, V. It's your boy. You ready? Oh 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 oh. This is history in the making. Listen. I look and stare so deep in your eyes, touch you more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling in my pride, so wanna blame. Yeah, and I still don't understand. Cause how you looking beast, no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your tears got me looking so crazy right now. Kinda hope you would page me right now. You can't stop it up and you page me right now. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. Oh, 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 no, no. Oh, 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 no. Oh, no. Are you my cousin? I'm your husband. He my husband. I took your name. What's my name? Beyonce. Say my name. Say my name. Dun, dun, dun. Say my name. Say my name. I'm Beyonce. Say Beyonce. Oh, 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 oh. You know that everybody was talking about that. That music video was Beyonce's initiation into the game. As you see, Crazy in Love video, right before Beyonce came out as the sexy Sasha Fierce that we knew her to be in that fur coat, Jay-Z did put her into the car and set the car up on fire. Remember, she was in the car, so crazy, my baby, right? Baby, my baby, I'm not myself lately. I'm foolish, I don't do this. I've been raining myself, baby. I mean, other than that, yeah. So them always talk about that was Beyonce's initiation into the industry. When she's in the car and she has sing that part, and Jay-Z was outside rapping, and he dropped the lighter. And it light and it went back and it blew up the car. And then you saw Beyonce come out again as Beyonce with that fur. So something about your initiation or me getting your initiation into the business is on camera. Something was caught on camera. We have different initiations. We have dying initiations, we have sex initiations, we have all kind of type of initiation. Blood, energy swap, what type of thing, right? But me getting something about your initiation was caught on camera, Virgo. Or I'm getting, they got you looking so crazy right now. The touch got you looking so crazy right now. I'm kind of hope you would text me right now. The kiss got me looking so crazy right now. Feeling so crazy in love. Got me living so crazy in love. Ty, you are uneducated, fat, ugly, and depressed. And you should know that everything people say about you is true. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's see what your overall message is. Virgo, you got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking crazy claiming you and you don't even know me. I hate that for me. I'm always claiming guys in my head and I never even spoke to them before, but I'm already in love with them. I've already saw my life with them. If only I would say hi. Let's see what your overall message is, Virgo. We got the Emperor, yes. So Young Ho, your home is flowing loco, RB and the ROCO, OG, big homie, the one and only, stick bony, but the pockets is fat like Tony Sparrow. Genuine, all the cool, do nothing through, I slick through, if anything I blink, like a star in the ring, war bend the ding, bend them a rim, crazy on the brain, Jay-Z in the range, crazy in the range. They can't figure out better than insane. Yes sir, I'm cut from a different cloth. My texture is the best for chinchilla. You fucking get it. I'm getting the Emperor starting off your reading, or that is your overall energy. Exactly. They got you looking so crazy right now. Your kiss got me looking so crazy right now. Getting someone has you looking crazy. Or Emperor, does someone have you looking crazy? Because usually you're supposed to be dialed up. Let's go. We got the Two of Pentacles coming out first. So I'm getting so close, but yet so far. The person is right in front of you, but why you can't speak to them, Emperor? I'm getting something is becoming very difficult, or it's becoming more challenging than you expect it to be. Yeah, but yeah, something is so close yet so far. I'm getting the person right in front of you. You can talk to them, but you're not talk to them. What is, 22. So somebody could be born on the 22. I wonder if it's Zion. Something about a person born on the 22nd, my Emperor. Somebody want to talk to you. I'm getting you so close, you're right in front of them face. But for some reason, you're so far from them. Or I'm getting if somebody knows that if them talk to you, they can't talk to you without giving you something in your hand. This cannot be a conversation. You see, if you approach somebody and you just talk to them and you say bye, them now talk back to you again. There has to be a meaningful reason as to why you want to have a conversation. 22. So I'm getting not only are you going to talk, you're going to have to give them something tangible as well. But I'm getting this is about either a partnership that didn't work out, a relationship that didn't work out, or something that is newly forming, okay? The High Priestess, yeah. I'm getting somebody want to work with you. The Emperor wants to work with you. Somebody may have not believed you in the past. Somebody feel like you weren't ready. Or I'm getting you got somebody crazy right now. Maybe the Emperor is seeing that you may leave them and work for somebody else. So I'm getting the Emperor is like, no, come work for me. They're going to agree on how much I'm going to pay you. Or I'm getting the pay is going to be them always like a owe you one in the back. Or you always going to get one payment before you do the job. Something like that. So I'm getting them want to work with you. So you want the High Priestess services. You want the High Priestess. I'm getting you want the High Priestess expertise. Could be on relationships, on your relationship, or you want to be in a relationship with her, okay? But I'm getting someone has you looking crazy. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. Maybe that's why they have you looking so crazy. I'm getting because you have the hots for somebody. And I'm getting you deliberately ignore somebody, or you walk away from somebody because probably you got a boner. The way how you're so in love with somebody. I'm getting it's crazy. Every time you think about this person, or think about intimacy with this person, you literally get hard. And I'm getting you don't want the High Priestess to even know that's how you think about her. But I'm getting you like her. So what else is there to think about? Or maybe you want to know the High Priestess like you too. I'm getting you'll never know unless you guys have a conversation. And the Fool card. Maybe you are also trying to figure out if the High Priestess does the initiation. I'm getting you have to initiate. You have to initiate. You have to make the High Priestess know so you want to be initiated. She's not going to see her initiate you. Because the devil knows that only the souls that come to them is the ones that they can control the most. The devil don't try to go around recruiting souls. He waits until the souls are desperate and falls out of love with God and come to them. And he can control them easier. Because not only do you hate God and you turn your back on God now, and I'm going to give you everything that your God did not. Because of we don't know why the fuck. Because remember, God made Abel and Cain kill each other. So I don't really think God would intervene in anything, to be very honest with you. He ain't that type of person. God might really be white. Because he ain't going to intervene in shit. He just going to watch all of this shit play out. Watch everyone die, get raped, bomb, every shit. God sound white. Maybe God is white. Maybe we might be fucking up here. Because if God was a nigga, I'm telling you, that nigga would have striked. That nigga would have been like a Jamaican. When he hear gunshots, he go towards the gunshot to see what's happening. He would go outside to vacuum outside. That's how God, if God was black. Normally if God's white and he sees the altercation happening, he turns his back and he goes the other way because he doesn't want to intervene. He doesn't want people to say, oh, you're a lover? That's what you are, God? He doesn't want that. He will never intervene. He will make them kill you and watch. And then tell your family to pray for you in his house of his Lord. for the person you watch got killed. God sound white. God sounds white. Because I don't feel like niggas would stand by and see shit play out. Maybe they would. Nah, they escaped slavery. I don't think they would. Anyways, let's continue fucking reading. So the Emperor is here for you. Let's just get some of these and we're going to leave it here. We got Unsolved Mysteries. We got the Emperor again. So I'm getting, yeah, the Emperor want you. You got him looking so crazy right now. I'm getting more put him name on something as well. Or maybe the Emperor is co-signing for you. We have them all. We have passports. We got use protection. And we got cleanse your space. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.